guys, welcome to my channel. And today I will be showing you a website that you will be earning from. A website that is called videomine.org. Videomine.org is it's an affiliate and MLM website whereby you will be referring people, you earn. There you can also be doing some tax stealing, there you also earn. Now, please do not take this opportunity lightly. Now, look at my dashboard VM points. Where you register, you'll be given a total amount of VM points that you will increase with, that your daily earnings. Where you long it, will give you 100 naira. There, watching videos by then 200, and the other one series person post 100 naira. Then it increased to something else, and as we are doing it daily, you'll be getting it frequently and every time. You can also see your referral link. You can also refer. When you refer, you'll be given 2,000 naira for the referral. So today, all you need to do is just to come in, you click watch videos. Then you scroll down. You can click any of those things. You can click any of those what will direct you. You can click here. Then you scroll down. You see a video. You see a YouTube link. You can go down. You click on this YouTube link. Then this one. Then to not take you. This is the YouTube link. To not take you to a website. To not take you to YouTube. Then you watch the video. Then you come back. Then your point will increase. Is that okay? Then after that, you can also go to the sponsor post. Go to your profile. There you come here. You click on sponsor post to take you to somewhere you will see your WhatsApp logo. You're here. You tap it. After you tap it, this one. After you tap it, then it will not take you to your WhatsApp. Then you not share the link. Finish that is on for the day. Then you claim your point. Then if you don't want to do that, you can also go to here. You take this referral, you share to your friends. Tell them about the videomine something there. They will sign up. Then you get your points or you get your earnings. That is just all about videomine. Then the MLM part of it, all those ones just like for referral. No, just be referring fresh to the website that you'll be earning much. Okay, it's very, very simple. Don't waste this opportunity. My link will be down below. Please try to register using my link to register, and the registration fee is just 2,000 naira. When you register, it's going to give you everything. There the details. There you start mining and start earning your points and money. Guys, do not make this opportunity to pass you by. Please do it now. Okay, do it now, please.